At some point in the night. I get it. These are nice.
Oh, thank you.
Cozy. Nice touch with the candles. I tell you, I've seen houses that are worse than this. I can sort of fit into this way I like. Here's my dog. Okay. Nice little this. Oh, and a drink. Suits me down to the ground. I mean, anyway, since I'm a bit like, you know, caveman, I haven't really evolved. It's just the shape of my head and where my eyebrows come out. Maybe that's it. Maybe I was born a bit late.